Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo!
What's up, friends? My name is Avirup Bhattacharya. Welcome.
Yo! What's up, friends? I'm Laszlo.
And I'm Avirup Bhattacharya.
And today my friend is going to teach you an amazing magic trick. Actually, it's a mentalism card trick. And let's see how you can actually, how the performance looks like. After that, we're going to get into the tutorial. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
This is the worst fan ever. Can you see all the cards in this deck are different, right?
Yeah.
Shuffle the cards as much as you can. Just shuffle it. Shuffle. That's a good shuffle. You happy with this one? Or you want to do it more? Oh, you want to do it more. Okay. Are you happy with this one or you want to do more? That's genius, right? Now before that, let me show everyone present at home also that all the cards in this deck are different, right? Can you all see it? All the cards, every single card is different, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the deck and I'm going to put it right here. Cut it from anywhere you want. Just cut the cards from anywhere you want.
Okay,
Okay, so you happy with this one?
yeah.
Okay, now
Keep it?
Yeah, keep it right here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to predict what cards are there on the top of these two packs, right? I think this one here is the 7 of spades. This one here is the 7 of spades, right? And what I think this one here is the king of spades.
Okay.
I have two cards, king of spades and the 7 of spades, right?
Okay.
Believe it or not, I just predicted the cards.
Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Okay, now it's time for the secrets. This is a really good card trick. It is impromptu. You can do it with any deck, right? Now first, you just tell the spectator to shuffle it. Shuffle the cards. You can shuffle it anyhow you want, any number of times you want, okay? Then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to spread the cards just like this, so that you can see the card that is on top of the deck, just like this. Or there is another
5 of spades.
Yeah, or there is another way to know the last card, is that you're going to spread the cards just like this and show them that all the cards are different. And when you have done this, you're going to see this card on top of this deck, right? And you're going to remember 5 of spades, right?
Oh.
You're going to remember the top card.
Okay.
That's the main secret. Then you're going to square up the pack and put it on top of the mat or the table, anywhere you want. Okay, now you're going to tell the spectator to cut from anywhere of the pack. Just cut from anywhere you want. Okay, so
the 5 of spades is at this point, right?
yeah, the 5 of spades is now on top of this pack, right?
But
and
how
then
do you do this one?
okay, wait, that's the main secret.
Okay.
You have two cards on top of these two packs, and I said that I am going to predict the cards on top, right? What you are going to do is, first you are going to take this card and you're going to say that this one here is the 5 of spades.
Okay,
not
so
this
that
one.
means in reality the 5 of spades is over
here, but you are going to say that this one here is the 5 of spades. And when you just take this card after saying that this is the 5 of spades, you're going to peek and see that this card is the 2 of hearts, just like this. From this side, you're going to peek, right? And see what card it is, right? And when you have seen that this is the 2 of hearts, what you're going to do is you're going to say that this one here is the 2 of hearts, right? And you take these two cards and you're going to say that, so I have predicted the 5 of spades and 2 of hearts, and then turn and throw it like this. So people will not be able to remember which card you have taken from what side, and you just throw it like this. Sorry, it just fell. And then you're going to throw it like this and reveal that these are the 2 of spades and the 5 of spades, and this is how you are going to do this trick.
Okay.
Right?
Perfect. So let me try once more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shuffle the cards. Yeah.
Shuffle the cards.
Okay. Now let me just shuffle the cards. Now I'm happy with this shuffle.
Okay. So as you can see over here, you shuffle the cards. All the cards are over here.
Yeah.
Mixed up.
Mixed
right?
up.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the deck over here.
Yeah.
I want you to cut as many cards as you want and keep it on the side
so
of
let
the
me
back.
cut it from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Perfect. So I'm going to take this cards and this card. Sorry. This is. I think this is the 6 of spades, and I think this is the 3 of diamonds.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that it? Yeah. See.
Yeah, but you will have to just show these cards like this, otherwise people will understand that these are different cards, right? If you say this one is the 6 of spades and you do like this, okay, people will understand that.
Yeah.
Just take this card and throw it like this, and so that people don't understand
this
one.
Okay. So let this deck be shuffled like this. Okay. After that, you can see all these cards, right? They're shuffled.
Yeah.
Alright, just cut from anywhere.
Okay, I'm cutting from here. I'm happy with this one.
Perfect. I think this is the 10 of diamonds.
Okay.
Alright. And I think this is the 6 of spades.
Right.
So, okay.
These are the 2 cards. Okay, so that's the secret, right? That's how you... Now you can also do it with your friends and your family members or any other spectator who wants to watch.
Whoever you want.
Yeah.
So I hope you... Okay, so I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card trick, actually a mentalism card trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @12_Azari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to follow Avirup Bhattacharya on Instagram at Avirup_the_showman. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.
Thank you.